Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make this simple crochet headband. For this project, I'll be using 4-ply milk cotton yarn in white and green. But you can use any yarn you have and choose any colors you like. I will be using a crochet hook, a stitch marker, scissors, and a needle. And one more thing, I'll be using a measuring tape to check the size of the headband. I forgot to show it here. Now that we have everything ready, let's get started. Let's start with a slip knot. Once you've made the slip knot, we'll chain 100. After making your 100 chains, check the length of your chain. For me, 100 chains measures around 47 centimeters. So, if you want your headband to be longer, you can add more chains. And if you want it shorter, you can make fewer chains. Once you have the length you want, skip the first chain and into the second chain, we'll make a single crochet. Insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. And that's your first single crochet. Now, place your stitch marker in this first single crochet. Continue making 1 single crochet in each chain all the way across. And there we have our first row. Now, let's start row 2. First, chain 1 and turn your work. Now, insert your hook into both loops of the first stitch, just like I'm showing you here, and make a single crochet. Now, place your stitch marker in this first single crochet. Let me show you one more time. Insert your hook into both loops of the next stitch and make a single crochet. Continue doing the same thing, inserting your hook into both loops of each stitch and making 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. When you reach the stitch marker, remove it and make your single crochet in that stitch. And your row 2 is complete. Now, let's start row 3. First, chain 1 and turn your work. Just like row 2, we'll continue working into both loops of each stitch. Insert your hook into both loops of the first stitch and make a single crochet. Now, place your stitch marker in this first single crochet. Continue making 1 single crochet in both loops of each stitch all the way across. When you reach the stitch marker, remove it and make your single crochet in that stitch. And your row 3 is complete. Now, let's start row 4. First, chain 1 and turn your work. Just like the previous rows, continue making 1 single crochet in both loops of each stitch. And your row 4 is complete. Now, let's check the width of our headband. Mine is around 3 centimeters wide. If you want your headband to be wider, you can add a few more rows here. For me, 4 rows are enough. Just to give you an idea, once the whole headband is finished, the total width will be around 3.5 centimeters. Now, let's change the color. For the color change, we're going to undo the last single crochet of row 4. Now, make the single crochet again. But this time, don't pull through the last 2 loops with the white yarn. Instead, take your green yarn and pull it through both loops on your hook. And that's how we change our color. Now, we're ready to continue with the green yarn. We'll be working on the width side of the headband. Start by making a single crochet into the first stitch. Then, make another single crochet into the next stitch. From this second single crochet, we're going to make our first tie. Chain 40. Once you've made your 40 chains, skip the first chain and make single crochet in each chain. Once you reach the last chain, make a single crochet in it. Then, make a slip stitch into the second single crochet of the headband. And there we have our first tie. Now, make one single crochet into the next stitch on the width side. Then, we'll continue working along the length of the headband. Make one single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Now, we're at the other width side of the headband. First, make a single crochet in the first stitch. Then, make another single crochet in the next stitch. From this second single crochet, chain 40. Once you've made your 40 chains, skip the first chain and make single crochet in each chain. Then, make a slip stitch into the second single crochet of the headband. And there we have our second tie. Now, we have one more side left, so continue making single crochet all the way across, just like we did on the other side. Once you make the last single crochet, make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Then, chain 1. And cut the yarn. Now, our headband is almost ready. We just need to weave in the ends. Let's weave in all the yarn ends. As you can see, this is the front of our headband, and this is the back. We're going to weave all the yarn ends on the back side of the headband. So, take your yarn needle and start weaving in the ends, as I'm showing you in the video. Once you've woven in all the ends, our headband is ready. I hope you enjoyed making it with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.